This is the first episode at Oniething and Awthing. In it, I'm going to be telling you a bit about Bonnymur Green. Bonnymur Green is a place near Abide in Aberdeen. It's up a laney leading fae Bonnymuir place. When I come to bide here in 2001, it was nothing like the place it is now. How it come to be a bonny community garden for abody to enjoy, fae being fit it was afore, is fit I'm going to tell you a' about. In 1924, almost 100 years syne, Bonnymur Green was the ward garden belonging to one of the oldest houses in the area that had been there long afore the lave of the area was developed. That was the year when the garden was sold to the community for guy near nothing, says it could be made into a bowling green. The ones that was made with it, and the ones away at bed, are the bowling club closed down altogether in 2015. The green was disused, and the clubhouse was left standing tame. Nae long after that, a current of the neighbours biding round about saw the chance this could offer to make it into something for the whole local area. After all, it had been a gift to the community all those years afore. Still, there was a problem with the owners having other ideas about selling it to developers to big houses on. A charity was founded, the Bonnymur Green Community Trust, and a campaign was mounted. Afore anything more could be done, there had to be approval for the Scottish Government for the recht to buy the land. Once that recht was won, there was a drive to gather siller, and the Trust bought the green with it in September of 2018. The work started recht awa to take a scalp of our ground grun and make it into something abody can get the good of. Seeing as I'm nae one of them, I can say with my hand on my heart that the volunteers have done by ordinary things. The grass had to be cut, and syne vegetable and flower beds was dug and put down for the grass had been.
And as for fit it is now, the photos will say more than I could tell you with words. There's herbs, vegetables, and even fruit there for folk to pick their ain, with guidance for the garden team. There's a place for bairns to play, and a pond with tadpoles and puddocks. There's chairs and binks for you can just ging and hae a city down and enjoy the sight of the flowers round about you. The newest addition to the garden is 2 beehives.
The old clubhouse has been converted to a cafe. You winna need me to tell you that this is nae normal times with the pandemic, but in normal times the cafe is an attraction in itself. As well as serving food and drink, when it's nae open for those things, the place has hooded art and photography exhibitions, quiz nights, weekly yoga lessons, and more. Now and again, it's even had some well-kent faces and folk dropping in. Bonnymur Green is to a rare beginning. A good sign is that there's more volunteers coming for it, some of them young folk doing the Duke of Edinburgh Award. Anybody that's needing a space to hold an exhibition or display, it could be inside or outside, can get in contact with the Trust. Likewise, anybody that's needing space for organised activities can do the same. This has been the first episode at Oniething and Awthing. There could be another one at any time. I canna tell you when that's going to be. Like this one, it'll be about Oniething and Awthing.